Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find and use the Splice tool on CapCut PC. It's actually pretty simple. So I'm just going to grab and drag my video here. If you can see, there's like these three kind of like buttons that you can choose. So the first one just splits it in like two parts. So like if it's in the middle, you can just split that and you'll still have your videos. The second one splits like the left side, so like it deletes it as well. So for instance, I want to delete the left side of my video. So I'm just going to select this one. And for this one, basically deletes the right side of it. Another way is you can switch to split mode, so that when you click on it, it will be just splitted. But I prefer these ones because I usually use the split one to delete clips like either on the left or the right side, like trim them I guess. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!